Welcome to the Ohm Academy podcast, where we guide you on journeys of inner peace and self-discovery. I'm your host, April Bogle, and today we're exploring an enhanced version of the IFS Path Meditation, inspired by the work of Dr. Richard Schwartz, Internal Family Systems Therapy. This practice invites you to connect with your true self, a place of clarity, compassion, and calm, by gently setting aside your inner parts for a short while. Whether you're new to meditation or seasoned in mindfulness, this session is designed to foster a deep sense of presence and well-being. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying, where you won't be disturbed. Now close your eyes if it feels right, and let's begin with a few deep, grounding breaths. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Now, in your mind's eye, imagine yourself at the base of a beautiful path. It could be a familiar trail through a forest, along a beach, or one entirely from your imagination. Whatever feels inviting and safe to you. Here at the base, gently meet with your inner parts. Those emotions, thoughts, or aspects of yourself that carry worries, fears, or daily concerns. Kindly ask them if they'd be willing to stay here at the base, just for this brief journey, allowing you to proceed alone. Reassure them that you will not be gone long, and that this experience will benefit everyone, including them. Notice how they respond. If any parts feel scared or hesitant, see if the stronger, more confident parts can offer comfort and care to those in need. It's okay if some aren't ready. Honor that. If they're not willing to let you go, take this time to curiously explore their fears. What are they afraid of? What do they think might happen if you venture out alone? Listen with compassion, without judgment. If you sense permission and trust from your parts, thank them softly and begin to head out on the path. Move forward at your own pace, feeling the ground beneath you and sensing the air all around you. As you walk, check in with your experience. Are you fully immersed on the path, seeing and feeling your surroundings directly? Or do you notice yourself watching from afar, as if observing your own journey? If it's the latter, that may indicate a part is still with you. perhaps one that's protective or cautious. Gently ask it to relax and return to the base. If it resists, explore its concerns with kindness. Continuing along the path, become aware of your mind. Are there any thoughts arising? If so, acknowledge them without attachment and invite them to return to the base as well. This allows you to settle into a state of pure awareness, spacious, present, and free. Periodically, scan your body and mind as you proceed. Notice any sensations, tensions, or lingering energies that don't feel fully like your true self. If you find them, invite those parts to step back gently. With each release, observe the shifts, perhaps a growing sense of spaciousness around you, a vibrant energy flowing through your body, or qualities like clarity, confidence, and connectedness emerging. If you're feeling these shifts, a sense of well-being, presence, inner flow, allow yourself to pause here on the path. Soak in this experience of your true self. Notice the markers. How does your body feel? Your heart? Your mind? Remember these sensations so you can recognize them in daily life and invite your parts to relax when needed. When it feels right, there's no rush, Begin to make your way back toward the base. As you return, see if you can carry this spaciousness and energy with you, even as you approach your parts again. Arriving back at the base, reconnect with your parts. Check in with them. How did they fare in your absence? What might they need from you now? Reassurance, attention, or something else? Listen openly. Once that connection feels complete, express gratitude. If they let you go, thank them for their trust. If not, thank them for sharing their fears. This builds harmony within. Now take a few deep breaths once more. Inhale fresh energy and exhale any remaining tension. Follow your breaths as you gently return to the present moment, wiggling your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, you may open your eyes. Thank you for joining this IFS Path Meditation with Ohm Academy. We hope this practice brings you closer to inner harmony. If you'd like more guided meditations, visit timelessrn.com/Ohm Academy or subscribe to our podcast for weekly episodes on mindfulness and holistic wellness. Namaste.